Hey everyone. If your Dropbox sync keeps pausing automatically in 2026, like files stop syncing or keep getting paused again and again, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Dropbox sync paused problem step by step. First, open Dropbox and check your internet connection. Weak or unstable internet can automatically pause syncing. Next, manually click Resume Syncing inside Dropbox. Sometimes it just pauses automatically. Now restart the Dropbox app completely. Closing and reopening it resets stuck sync processes. After that, check your storage space. If your Dropbox is full, syncing will pause automatically. Next, turn off battery saver or power saving mode on your device. This can stop background syncing. Now update Dropbox to the latest version. Older versions often have sync bugs. After that, check your files for large or problematic items. Some files can interrupt syncing. Finally, reinstall Dropbox if nothing else works. This fixes deeper system level sync issues. So, yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox sync paused automatically problem in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your files should start syncing normally again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for beginners.